Leo's got to check it out before I even get a chance to. Leo, did they get your seal of approval? Today we're going to take a look at the Pittsburgh Automotive 18-piece offset T-handle hex key set. Got this at Harbor Freight. The time of this video, August 2020. It was approximately $20 plus Vermont state sales tax. So we open it up and Leo's already in there sniffing around. He likes to chew on plastic bags. Let's get it out of there. Comes a little metal stand. I don't have any toolbox drawers that are high enough for the whole stand to go in, which would be kind of neat, so they're going to lay down in probably my screwdriver drawer. Let me get out of the bag and we'll be right back. Leo's got to give it a seal of approval, huh, bud? Yeah. See if Leo's gonna photobomb us yet. So they do seem very heavy quality keys. They are ball heads, okay. That's a plus, I wasn't expecting that. It's basically an Allen wrench. Then they just molded on over top of it this hard plastic. It's got a little loop there, I don't know why. So they go down in through the hole and then they lock in. So like I said, unfortunately my toolbox doesn't have any deep drawers, so it's going to have to go in a drawer. This is Pittsburgh, and I guess that's the 4mm one. They drop down in, it feels like the holes are not straight down, they're slightly off on an angle. That's the metric side. Let's just pull one randomly out. Okay, so they do say on the side of them 3/16. They give it a size. I didn't see that before. Nice large head. I got a size 13 ring finger, if that gives you any idea how big and round these things are. Feels like they would do the job. The extra torque. Probably be sufficient for what I'm doing. I'm not doing any high torque applications. Did I need this big set? No, it's probably overkill. But I need a set of hex keys, Allen keys that weren't on a damn little flex type wrench mechanism all bunched together. Anyways. So look on an angle. Got the metal plate, Pittsburgh, SE, metric. Show you the little sizes down below. Let me spin the tower around, little metal bar. Not much to it. Can go. I got them in my top two small drawers out of the three of the Craftsman box, and they'll just live out their life in there. Seems like a perfect fit.